So this commenter says that the Supreme Court told the district court judges that they can't go against the president, and they told them they have to do their own bonds. Okay, first as to the bonds, judges are issuing $1 bonds, so that's not an issue. And they didn't say they can't go against the president. Actually, the opposite is true. If you look at the decision, Justice Amy Coney Barrett wrote the decision. In her decision, she tells the district court judges, instead of doing these nationwide injunctions, which are over inclusive, why don't you do a class action, which is narrow and just really specific, and taking the clues and the cues from Amy Coney Barrett and also Justice Brett Kavanaugh in his concurrent opinion in a footnote. He also said, y'all could just do class actions. In the actual oral arguments that I listened to, all of the justices, all nine, even Clarence Thomas and Justice Alito, acknowledged that birthright citizenship is constitutional and the law is in 14th Amendment. So if you listen to oral arguments, they're not, it's about procedure. So what are the courts doing? They are going against the Trump administration because in New Hampshire, a judge just created a nationwide class that says all babies born after the executive orders are protected. Same effect. And I just saw another one. So they actually are helping the judges be more careful. The judges are doing 100-page ruling. There was a judge that tried to uh, defend or help put the grants back. His order was 105 pages, his memorandum of law, kind of like, I dare you, Supreme Court. And the judges are like nod, wink, and telling the litigants, hey, I'm not going to issue a preliminary injunction. You might want to go and amend the complaint and narrow the focus or do different things. And the litigants are like, okay. And the plaintiffs, the parties are coming back and they're doing amended complaints. And they're actually helping us be stronger resistors in a sense to the Trump administration in the bizarre, weird way. And I'm also seeing judges do this thing where judges are acknowledging in the orders, they say, you know what, the Supreme Court's looking at us and telling us we can't be overbroad. So we just want to clarify. For example, the judge Frapon, who just did the banning of the ICE agents, that's narrow to just central LA. But you know what it does? It creates a model. It gets people talking. So it's not a nationwide injunction, but people are talking about it. So that's actually a win. That's helping the resistance. Another case, the Court of Appeals said on the record, we're going to clarify our decision to not grant a stay and let you know this stay, the law, our decision only applies to this few people, just so you know. They're preserving the record. Yeah, it's the opposite of that. They actually helped us.